I'm Ankita. I'm a student. I'm an engineer. I'm a consultant. I'm a happiness coach. Beyond everything, I'm a mother. Student and a mother, can that work out? Well, we women are multitaskers. And when we are talking about multitasking, then why can't we talk about a mother can study? My this dream of doing masters in United States came true with UpGrad. Out of nowhere, my husband sends a link to me a year and a half before and says that you give a lot to the family. It's your time to go and study. I was skeptical a lot, and the offerings were so good to be true, but I wanted to give it a try. I took a leap of faith, and yes, I'm a multitasker, a mother. I could manage it so well. I was working on a project, I was taking care of my daughter's various schedules of classes, I was taking care of my 1-year-old that time. I was a consultant as well, and I ensured to pull out good 2 hours of time on a daily basis to study data science. I could learn Python, I could learn SQL, I could learn Tableau, I did everything. And all thanks to UpGrad. After 8.5 months in India, I flew to United States in Massachusetts to study Masters in Project Management. Thank you so much, UpGrad, and thank you so much, Hardik, my husband, for supporting me in everything. And if I can do it, you very well can do it.